Some think say know all but who we be when they hear about the Gullah Geechee. But they ain't no say them white cracky teeth and call black Seminole, Afro-Seminole, and still a summer we. And chuck these ya down in these your booking thing for these children, even for the grown folk too. And then plenty of them, they hear about them freedman what been a going on in Oklahoma too. But they ain't been no all this story of what take for them fight for that freedom. Yeah, and that fight came all the way from ya to the coastline in the Carolina, in Georgia, down in the Florida. Some cross over in the Red Bears, Andros, and things like that in what we call the Bahamas. Then they going through the bayous and cross yonder in Oklahoma. Some going in the Mexico and then come back in the Tias. Still a did it. Stand strong in a fight all these year day long. Some of them better than soldier and thing. They cracky teeth just like a we and 100 children over yonder. They call this your Geechee Seminole. And they cracky teeth because they ain't been know who he be. But see, all that time he had together a whole family. Even yonder, when he did it forward and thing like a clock. A stand so. Never forget who been the shake the baby behind the door. They've been at a Seminole Gullah Geechee woman, always ever strong. Still a stand to this your day, all the day long. So, honey children, they hear about all of we. No, every year we still celebrate this your Gullah Geechee Seminole family. When we come together, the Seminole days and things like that, we know for true who it'll be, and we'll bring back together the whole Gullah Geechee Diaspora Seminole family. Because we know we be Gullah Geechee United, and we be free.